Alright, don't even ask how I managed to get a hold of these. But I have the 2025 vehicles. The bus and the skyliner. So I'm going to start with the bus, if I can even get it open with just one hand. Okay, that was actually easier than I thought it would be. So yeah, apparently these things aren't even on shelves yet, and I'm not entirely sure how my mom got a hold of one. But she did, and look at it. I actually like this. Oh, it looked like blue in the package, but I realize now this is more of a gray color it has. So yeah, this is the 2025 bus. Isn't that cool? Okay, 1 second. I'm gonna sit my camera down to like rip open the skyliner thing. Okay, so first of all, it has a gray stand, which I think is kind of interesting because the others had black stands. So I'm gonna put this together. Ignore my dry, crusty hands. Oh, by the way, here's my entire transit center. Oh, I'm putting it on the wrong way. There. Now I gotta be careful because the little dangly bit on the top of it is kind of fragile. Okay, so it has yellow benches. I think that's kind of interesting. Nice. Oh, frick. Oh, well. Alright, so let me just yoink a 2024 bus here so we can compare the two. I have to admit, I do personally like the 2024 bus more. I don't know, I like its colors. But I do like this one. I guess I also like the fact that a lot of the windows are relatively unwrapped compared to this one. Yeah, both are good, but I prefer the older one. I don't know, I guess that's all I have left to say. I also got, like, tons of, like, older Disney buses that I wanted for Christmas, so that's cool. Here, we'll insert this guy into the transit center. See, he fits right in.